So in this video I'm just going to be talking about tyre sealants. Now this particular tyre sealant is universal. You can use it on bikes, motorbikes, wheelbarrows and potentially on a car tyre. But the relevancy of this video is that with all modern cars now, they no longer have a spare tyre. They have a tyre inflation kit, and this is one of the main ingredients within the tyre inflation kit. And what's little known is that there is an expiry date on the bottle of the inflation kit. So should it be you are a person who gets caught out and you need to inflate your tyre, you need to hope that your bottle hasn't expired. Now I'm not one that's knows whether or not these expiry dates are there to sell more products or whether they actually have a proper purpose. For example, if you use this sealant in a tyre, it doesn't say that you should replace the inner tube in a certain time, but if the bottle has been opened or hasn't been used, you should just throw this bottle away. So I'm a bit doubtful about expiry dates, but I've just used this bottle, which as you can see has expired. The date today is July 23, so it's about 2 years out of expiry. And the reason it's relevant is that I've just taken all of these bits out of the fluid, and as you can see they're quite solid and fibrous, quite hard to break up. Now to put the fluid in, you need to put it through one of these valves. And another thing to let you know about is obviously if you have used the bottle, it says to throw the tyre away, and this is why, because you can see on the inside of this inner tube the hole for the valve has become completely blocked. So if you've put this in your tyre and don't bother to get it replaced, then it's unlikely you'll be able to put any air back into the tyre, or you'll struggle to put air back into the tyre. So this is what can happen. So when I put air into a different inner tube, I had to pass this toothpick through to try and clear any blockages out, and took quite a long time because the nozzle there was getting blocked by these fibrous bits. So yeah, hope this has been useful to you, and if you have got a car, check your boot to see, number one, if you have got a spare tyre or you've got a inflation kit. Thanks for watching. If you could like and subscribe, it will help me to make more videos.